Attorney General Jason Miyares was in Southwest Virginia today to bring attention to the fentanyl epidemic. He hosted a roundtable discussion this afternoon with law enforcement, medical professionals, and more about how to combat the spread of the potentially deadly drug. WFXR's Michael Doty has more.
It has been said without exaggeration, one pill can kill. Fentanyl is super challenging to detect, and it does not take that much to prove deadly. Many Americans, including some Virginians, have lost their lives not knowing what they're actually taking within other drugs.
What we've seen is a rise in unintentional deaths, and I know some of the people mentioned that today, and that's what just breaks your heart.
Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares is crusading to end fentanyl and addiction-related overdose deaths. He gathered civic and law enforcement authorities as well as substance abuse recovery specialists to discuss what can be done to fight the issue of addiction.
An American loves a comeback story, so it's powerful when you hear those that have overcome addiction, now getting on to their best life and now helping others. It's incredibly meaningful.
It's also a chance for Miyares to see the impact of the money Virginia received from its part of the opioid settlement with the drug companies.
A lot of these lawsuits that we brought in the Attorney General's office against these huge pharmaceutical companies, these billion-dollar-plus settlements, this is money now going to localities to help with treatment, so I could hear firsthand how some of our successful wins in court are translating to getting people back on their feet to beat addiction.
The money can also help educate young people about the dangers of fentanyl-laced drugs.
Education to the parents, education to the schools as early as third grade, which is what they mentioned today.
The settlement money can also make the overdose drug Narcan more readily available.
Narcan is one of our most effective tools that could save a life and get somebody back on that path that they then can seek help.
Reporting in Wytheville, Michael Doty, WFXR News.